What's up guys, welcome back to finally a new mountain adventure. We are below the southern face of Marmolada. This is called Ombretta and today we are ready for a new adventure. I am not alone, I'm with Mattiello, aka
Wild
Mattiello, and today's goal is a bivouac, which is located right over there on that saddle. It's called Bivacco dal Bianco, and our goal is to reach the top of that mountain called Cima Ombretta. It's a little bit higher than 3,000 meters, so it's the first 3,000 meters peak of this season. So I'm pretty excited. Let's go. I forgot to say that Giovanni is coming up by bike. Don't ask me how we're gonna make it, but he's pretty experienced, so no worries. One hour and 45 minutes. We just made it to Rifugio Falier or Falier, I don't know. Oh, so nice. It's time to go up. Next goal is the bivouac. So the hike itself is pretty long actually, because the elevation gain is about 1,400 meters. It's pretty good for the first serious hike of the season. Wow. The bivouac is exactly on the saddle. I can barely see it. There are some people. Ciao. Passo Ombretta. There we go.
Poi parla lui come se fosse un problema per te.
Quick stop at the bivouac. There is actually quite a lot of people, like 9, and the bivouac is for 9 people, has 9 beds, so it will be a little crowded tonight. Let's just hope that no one else comes. Now it's time to go on top. This last part was super sketchy, slippery, very steep, not the best terrain, but we are close to the top, over there. So the sunset was not as good as what we were hoping for, but there's still sunrise. So let's just go back at the bivouac, find a spot, have some dinner, and wait for tomorrow. Always fun. So we are back at the bivouac. It's 9:30 p.m. But we are quite tired. The bivouac is quite crowded. Tomorrow we have to wake up quite early, so we are going to sleep. We are hoping for some low clouds tomorrow because the forecast says there's gonna be low clouds, and actually there are already some here in the valley, so we're just hoping that all around there's gonna be low clouds, the sun coming from the horizon in front of Marmolada. So we are planning to get up at 4 and get on top again, or well, get on top because we haven't actually been on top yet, and enjoy sunrise from up there. So it's time to sleep, it's time to rest. I wish you a wonderful night, and I hope it's gonna be the same for me. So see you tomorrow. It's 5:30 in the morning. And we just made it to the top. Cima, Ombretta, 3,011 meters. Spectacular. Wow, che bomba. Guarda di là, cazzo. Wow. Sun is here. I miss this. It's super windy up here. It's time to go down. That was spectacular. Look at that. So happy to be finally back in the mountains. Whew.
Ciao. Finale finale.
Giovanni, alla prossima.
Ci vediamo.
Ciao.
Bella.
Vai piano.
Certamente.
Alright, I just passed Ombretta. I still have around 45 minutes to reach the car. Giovanni, of course, is gone. He's way faster than me, so no point in waiting for me. And another adventure, actually the first adventure of the season in the mountains, is almost over. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I was so happy to finally be back among these gigantic rocks, and I really can't wait to do more and more and more. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you're not gonna lose any of the future adventures. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one.